Health gloves. A combination of tradition and perfection. A health glove is produced from at least 72 individual components. Incorporating many unique techniques, almost everything is done by hand. Before we start punching the individual parts which will make the glove, we need to prepare the leather, which is almost exclusively kangaroo skin, by moistening it with a special liquid. Next, the dampened kangaroo skin needs to be stretched so that the finished glove will maintain its shape during daily use. Finally, razor-sharp cutters punch out each component, ensuring total accuracy. Both sides are ground sharp, so both left and right hands are exactly the same size and when stitched together offer a precision fit. Several different machines are used to prepare the many components which make the finished glove. Highest quality carbon and Kevlar fibers are heated to 450 degrees and pressed into the knuckle-shaped mold at a pressure of 40 tons to form the perfect hard knuckle shell. The next step is to glue the titanium plate to the newly formed knuckle shell. For this, we use a special adhesive and press using extremely high pressure to guarantee durability. Once this process is finished, the completed knuckle shell needs to cure for 24 hours. Once the preparation of the knuckle shell is complete, the next stage is to glue together several additional key components. A critical process which must be done very accurately by highly skilled staff to ensure that the finished glove is always the optimal fit. Already we control the quality to give you the perfect product. An authentic health glove. The cornerstone for the perfect, most secure glove possible is its stitching. Using special machines, highly skilled staff stitch together each individual component using extremely strong Kevlar threads. Potential crash zones are double stitched and underlaid with a special Kevlar material. Next, the fingers and palms are stitched together using yet another very special machine. The step seam it produces exclusive to Held is only possible using this machine and is imperceptible. You feel no pressure points, meaning total comfort, precision and control. To saw the step seam is an almost impossible task and there are only a very small number of specialist staff capable of doing it. The glove might now look finished, but before it really is, it needs to be pre-shaped. For this we use special irons heated to 80 degrees. During this process we remove any small pieces of excess leather and thread. Each glove is then given a unique production number so we know when, where and who created it. Finally, the size label and etching strips are added. Your very special health glove is now complete and ready for shipping. Or almost. Before being shipped to a health stockist near you, each glove gets its final inspection where even the smallest imperfection will be corrected. Once again, the gloves will be placed on hot irons for pre-shaping, guaranteeing the unmatched comfort and fit that is synonymous with a health glove. The gloves can now carefully labeled and packaged and wait for their proud new owner. Health gloves. a combination of tradition and perfection.